Greetings of the day, students. My name is Devan Sharma, as we have earlier met before. So today I am going to tell you about the past of passive voice, because in the last session we have learned how we have to convert the present one into the passive voice. First we have to start with the past indefinite one. So here we have the rule, as you can see, object plus was, were plus V3 plus by plus subject. Now let's have an example. First let's see the active one. He ate the food. So now we have to convert this into the passive one. So we will follow the same rule, like object, the food, was over, we have used was, then after that V3, that is eaten, then by, then subject, that is him. So it is now the food was eaten by him. So as you can see, we have used the past indefinite rule, object plus was, were, V3 plus by plus subject. Now let's move on to the next one, that is past continuous one. So here we have the rule, object plus was or were plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Now let's convert this active one into the passive voice. He was eating the food. And now we have to convert it into the passive one. Let's see the rule. Object, that is the food, was, were. So we have used was. Then after that being. Then the third form, eaten, by, and then subject, that is him. So it is now the food was being eaten by him. Now let's see the rule of past perfect one. So here we have object plus had been plus V3 plus by plus subject. So now let's convert this active one into the passive voice. He had eaten the food. Now let's see the passive rule. Object, that is the food, had been, V3, that is eaten, then after that by, and then subject, that is him. So it is now the food had been eaten by him. So students, this was the rule of past of passive voice. Now you just have to see more videos. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.